Hi, I'm Byron, and today I'd like to introduce you to handheld vacuum cups manufactured by Woods Power Grip. A manual pump attaches these hand cups quickly and securely to stone, glass, or any non-porous load, while a valve lever allows instant release with no dangerous afterstick. Power Grip vacuum cups offer many advantages you won't get with ordinary suction cups. First, a rubber pad attaches securely to loads. Without harming most surfaces. A red line on the pump serves as a vacuum indicator. When the red line is hidden, the vacuum cup is ready to lift your load. If the red line should reappear while you're lifting, an internal check valve allows you to repump the cup without setting down your load. You can use these instant handles to lift almost any kind of awkward, bulky load without sacrificing safe lifting techniques.